So hi there. So today I'm going to be talking about this, which comes in a nice little pouch, which is a circuit protector. Circuit protector has a on, off, a lock, and a light for the LCD. It does come with this neat little holder for the point, so it actually holds itself all together, so you can put it in a drawer that way. You don't have to worry about losing this. I'm just going to be testing it on a battery to show how it works, but you basically hold down the power, it turns on. You can turn on the light on the screen so you can see it, and I'm just going to hold this on the battery. I have a lithium battery here, and you can see that it is 2.63 volts, and it is working the way it's supposed to. Now, I can hold that, and there it'll actually hold the information. I click the lock button, and if I click it again, it's gone. I'm just going to hold down the lock button and see what happens. Nothing. It needs a AA battery. It's called a voltage tester CP03, and you can basically test continuity on anything. You can see that I'm basically just testing this piece of metal, and it's giving me a 16 ohm reading. It not only can show voltage, but it can also show the ohm of something. So if you ever wanted to use this for a resistor, you could. But anyways, so there you go. It's a very simple tool. There's no real buttons or anything to try to understand. You just use it. Now if I wanted to, I can give it another example by basically putting this in here, and I should be able to, I can't. I'm just going to put that in there so I can hold that, and I'm going to see if I can test the voltage on this. And it says it is 2.63, so it is a voltage tester and an ohm reader. So there you go. Check it out.
I couldn't see any of that. It's just green.
No. So I'm going to go ahead and clip it on here just so that I'm making a connection, and then I'm going to put it on here. And you can see that it is 2.63, and again I can lock that so that I can come up and look at it. So if you're in a weird place and you can't see where it's at, maybe you're underneath the dashboard or something like that, you can go ahead and lock it, come out and look at it, and see that we're at 2.61 volts. And then just push the lock again and it disappears, and just hold down the button for the power and off it goes. And again, just store it away, and you have a nice little pouch to store it inside of your box, so you don't have to lose it or misplace it, or that wires get all tangled up, and it works just fine. So check it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you're looking for a simple, easy voltage and ohm reader.